vedervi! Bentornati!
See ya, soldier! Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus!
We have...
She'll never know I played with them a little first, right?
Hey, kid, we gotta go! Bob's going crazy! He's gonna have me fired!
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan...
¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
¡Son tubos de escape!
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen!
And Brightbane McMee!
Ever gonna stop?
Froggy!
Hi.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Maybe it wasn't quite like that, but it felt like it. One thing's for sure, we're... unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Oh, yeah, I see. I can use that energy for motivation, right?
It's all...
You missed a spot? There, right there. In the hood, right there.
Know him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you. You're going up against professional pit crews, boy.
Oh, that? That's strategic. Air density and combustion.
I slept so well.
Lenny, are you up?
Yes.
So proud. Thank you, King.
Yeah, Beck, you've been good to me all these years. It's a
Adagio. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for lightning quick.
He just gave up the piston cup. You know that? This grumpy old race car I know once told.
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
Okie dokie.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with.
Everything okay?
If you're worried about the fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No,
If you do need a paint job, man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like that.
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Customers! Customers, everyone! Customers! Okay! All right, everybody calm down. It's been a long...
Anyway, just wanted to say a quick hello. Take as much time as you need. Door's always open.
Hey, stop! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.